Watsons for a happy new you! So guys, medyo kakaiba tong haul na to kasi I have a very hands-on assistant. Say hi! Ayan, nag-hi siya. And sobrang helpful niya kasi tutulungan niya ako sa haul na to para makita sa inyo lahat ng products na sobrang love ko sa Watsons. Ito yung mga easy to follow tips na i-share ko sa inyo and lahat ng mga products na re-recommend ko from Watsons. So first tip ko sa inyo, make sure you have a skincare regimen and set a schedule that you can really follow. So first, clean your face and say bye to acne with Gluta-C with Kojic Plus Acne Control Facial Wash, followed by the toner, the Acne Facial Toner. This is 4 times whitening, oil control, anti-acne na, and this toner, it can help minimize your pores. And these products are alcohol-free. And then, kailangan nyo rin ng moisturizer para to lock in moisture with Facial Day Cream with SPF 25. Whitening na siya and anti-aging pa. And then at night, you can try the Facial Day Serum from Gluta-C. So, ayan. May glutathione and vitamin C siya. And then, for the body naman, you can try the lotion. Gluta-C Body Lotion. It is anti-aging, moisturizing, and non-greasy. And of course, mga besh, don't forget to protect yourself from the sun's harmful rays. And use the Belo Sun Expert Whitening Sunscreen with SPF 40. You can also try the facial mask from Watsons. So, ang dami na lang facial mask that you can try. And then, yung bago ng Poten-Cee, yung Derma by Poten-Cee facial mask, may vitamin C siya and collagen and 7 mineral oils that can really brighten your skin. So, try nyo din siya kasi I'm so excited to try this. This is new. It's a new product at Watsons. Okay, isa sa mga favorite ko sa Watsons, yung steam eye mask nila. Ito talaga yung binabalik-balikan ko. Kasi it really relaxes your tired eye. So, ito yun. Once na maalis na siya sa pouch, iinit na siya. So, yung steam niya is up to 40 degrees Celsius. Ayan. Ganyan lang siya for 10 minutes. And it will really relax your tired eye. Sobrang nakaka-relax yan. Ay, sobra. Grabe. For 10 minutes. And mafe-feel nyo talaga yung heat. And hindi naman siya sobrang init. Tama lang yung init niya, 40 degrees Celsius lang siya. So, after having a skincare regimen that you can follow, next tip ko sa inyo is to improve your personal care system, or you can even cut back on the ones that you don't need. So, okay din na mag-try kayo ng new products from Watsons kasi they always have buy one take one na products. So, na super sulit talaga. Sobrang laki ng mga shampoo nila, mga cream bath, and lagi nga silang nagba-buy one take one. So, sobrang sulit. Kasi malaki na siya and buy one take one pa. So, ito yung Watsons Detoxifying Cream Bath and Body Scrub. Usually, yung body scrub nila talaga buy one take one din. So, sobrang sulit. So, you can also try this skin. This is a moisture-rich shower gel. So, meron siyang collagen, olive oil, vitamin C, and alpha-arbutin. So, ayan. Hindi ko pa siya natatry, pero sobrang excited ako pag Cosmo Skin. So, this is the hair, scalp, and skin therapy oil. Para maging shiny yung hair, ma-reduce yung hair fall, and ma-reduce din yung dandruff. So, ayan. They also have the herbal shampoo with argan oil. Next is, of course, meron din silang conditioner, herbal din. Bago from Derma by Poten-Cee. Meron siyang vitamin C and collagen. It's a brightening soap bar with 7 natural moisturizing oils. So, ayan. Bago lang to from Derma by Poten-Cee. Of course, lagi ko binibili rin sa Watsons mga facial tissues nila kasi sobrang mura lang. And the Watsons Super Mint Wet Strips. So, kailangan talaga para for a fresher new you have to try this from Watsons. Watsons Super Mint Wet Strips. It is sugar-free. Ito rin lagi ko binibili sa Watsons yung mga wet wipes nila. Ito may aloe vera na siya and scented siya. Next, yung itong mga hand soap nila, gel hand soap from Watsons. Meron din silang buy one take one nito, kaya sobrang sulit. And then yung Cool Mint from Watson's mouthwash, it's also alcohol free. So, iba-iba rin naman kasi yung body natin, iba-iba yung mga products na hilang sa atin. So, ang importante, don't be afraid to try new products. Next tip ko sa inyo is to try a stylish nude too. And don't be afraid to try new color, experiment with a new color. So, ayun nga, sabi ko sa inyo, diba? Don't be afraid to try something new, something different, a new hair color for the new year. So, ayan. This is medium brown. After hair colored, of course, don't forget to take care of your hair. Yung mga treatment, hair spa. And para makatipid kayo, and mabawasan yung mga gastos nyo sa salon, I suggest na bumili na lang kayo sa Watson's ng mga hair spa. Buy one, take one din usually yung mga hair spa nila. So, this is the Virgin Coco Hair Kits from Hair Kits Hair Spa. Usually, buy one, take one yung mga hair spa nila. So, sobrang sulit and malaki siya. So, ayun. Mas nakakatipid kayo kaysa laging punta sa salon. So, if you want to cut down on your frequent salon trips, yung mga gastos, mga hindi naman kailangan, bumili na lang kayo nito and gawin nyo na lang sa house nyo. Best in hair care and styling tools. Sa Watson's, meron silang mga styling tools, mga pang curl, pang straighten hair. So, another tip that I want to share with you is yung health nyo. Don't forget or don't ignore your health kasi health is wealth. Saan ko ba narinig yun? Pero yun nga, don't forget to take care of your health with supplements and balanced diet, exercise, ayan. Para ma-achieve yung fitness goals nyo, ito take supplements like this. Ito, Cosmo-C vitamins. This is the vitamin C. And then, yung collagen para mas glowing yung skin. And of course, yung ito, mga vitamins from Poten-Cee. This is the vitamin C and this one naman, yung vitamin C may kasamang collagen. For cough remedy, ito talaga yung ginagamit namin, yung Ascough Cough Serum. Strawberry flavor para pwede rin siya sa mga kids ko. And for your fitness goals, try nyo itong Serum Fiber. Ito para maging maganda yung bowel movement nyo. Aside from the supplements, yung mga pang slimming and vitamins from Watson's, you can also try yung mga yoga mat sa Watson's. They also have that. And yung mga medicine balls. Para matry nyo rin yung mga workouts nyo at home. Pag wala talaga kayong time mag-gym. What I really love about Watson's is that they have everything na that you need for total body wellness. So, they have health, beauty, and for fitness and wellness. Ganyan. You can save time and energy as everything, as in lahat na, everything that you need for total body wellness, nasa Watson's na yun. And it's all available in one stop at Watson's. So, ito for beauty. Ito yung nasuha ko from Pond's BB Plus CC. Light lang yung shade niya, pero meron na rin siya SPF 30. Meron na rin siya SPF 30. So, ayan. Check na natin yung shade niya. Ayan, light lang talaga siya. Makeup from Watson's. They have the VYS Nude Eyeshadow Palette and napakarami din mga makeup products sa Watson's. So, you can experiment with fun and creative looks for your makeup. So, yun lang yung haul ko for this month. And, meron pa pala, yung for a minimum purchase of 500 pesos, you can be one of the 10 lucky winners of iPhone XR. Then, that's when you use your BDO rewards card, SM Advantage card, SM Prestige, Primo, and the new Watson's card. So, if you haven't signed up yet for one, or wala pa kayong card, please do so before February 20 kasi that's when the promo will end. Watson's card winners will also get 10,000 shopping points. So, di ba, bongga, may pa-iPhone na, may pa-shopping points pa. So, ayun guys, I hope you enjoyed this video and sana may nakatuloy yung mga tips para ma-achieve nyo yung mga fitness goals nyo, mga resolutions for this year. Guys, I hope you can join the giveaway. From Watson's and then I will announce the winner at my Facebook page. Yung catch lang is that in order to claim prize, the winner must meet up with me and have a coffee or milk tea or chika ganyan. So if you want to join the giveaway, make sure you use the hashtag healthy new you and look good and feel great with Watsons. So guys, that's it for today's haul from Watsons. And if you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!